Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Jasmy update today. So we're looking at Jasmy trading at 2781. So there's something I want to talk about very quickly. The 1 hour time frame on Bitcoin is not so good, and the 1 hour time frame on Jasmy also looks a little bit bad as well. So we have a tiny little bit of a double top in here, and eventually if actually broken from the double top, and if I take the support and resistance, you can see that it's clear that you have broken below, retested, and you might see a little bit of a fall going down. If this is meant to go down, then you're looking for nearly 2546, and if it does come up above 3237 one more time, if it actually pushes up here, it invalidates the whole double top. Okay, so that's one thing. Now secondly is that if you the reason why you might actually come down is because on the 4 hour time frame here, we have a support and resistance. So you were going to the downside and you broke to the upside here. So maybe perhaps it could make a lot of sense to retest the trend line which you broke out of, and that's going to be nearly 2189. So maybe one more time, fall a little bit down here and even make a double bottom, and then finally try to push and go back up one more time. So that's all for this quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.